So first of all, if you are not aware, the SpaceX Elon Musk owned this company just went public at the valuation of $2.2 trillion. Like that's a valuation which is after listing. And also Elon Musk just became first trillionaire in this world. Stocks were being offered at $135, I believe, and it closed at somewhere around 160 US dollar. So this seems like, so I would say, Dhanesh, like this seems like the LIC event of USA, but I believe everyone made money here. I can't recall, I think in LIC, whether it was flat listing or what, if you could recall that.
All I know is everyone lost money in that IPO. Whoever never got allotment, and they lost money. But I don't think that's the case here.
Yeah, at least on listing day, everyone made money here. So we can't really say what's going to happen from here on. Just allow me a second. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you were saying.
But like people have started already comparing, right? Ki, Reliance ka revenue 10 guna hai SpaceX se. Reliance makes XYZ billion profit. SpaceX is loss making. And SpaceX ka valuation is 10x of Reliance. So what are your thoughts on that?
I think people are too narrow-minded कि अलग अलग सेक्टर्स की कंपनी है एंड एक ही मेट्रिक पी रेशियो की ठीक है आई मीन मेरे पास भी पीछे बुक रखी है इंटेलिजेंट इन्वेस्टर की पी रेशियो को ही डिस्कस करके लाइक यू कांट कैटेगराइज एवरी सिंगल कंपनी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सिंपल रेशियो ठीक है आई मीन यू कैन डिस्कस फ्रोथ एंड ऑल बट रिलायंस is a totally different company ki theek hai they were into boring businesses earlier ki oil and all although oil is hot these days then they went into geo and all while SpaceX looks like they are selling something different they are doing this rocket business with NASA and all pushing satellite then I think they recently did Starlink thing तो इसमें तो काफी लाइक दोनों बिजनेस ही एक तरीके से अलग अलग सेगमेंट है या बट ठीक है क्रिएटिविटी अपनी भी चलती रहती है लाइक यू कैन कंपेयर लिटरली एनीथिंग सो that's pretty normal I believe but what are your thoughts on it like
I think my key thought is the country USA it's a product of capitalism मतलब वो लोग ने ऐसा liberty दिया and they bet behind Elon Musk also to take that kind of risk इंडिया में कोई अगर ऐसा सोचे भी तो उसमें तो पहले तो सब बोलेंगे कि कर रहा क्या है so वो एक है कि the USA culture has also been supporting such ideas.
Right. I mean, I was talking with one of my connection on Twitter and he said a very important thing कि USA has एक होता है ना highest GDP per capita. So he told me something कि USA has highest risk taking ability per capita or something. So and I think that's true. तभी इस तरीके की innovative companies दिखती हैं. Although this is also happening in India these days. So that's pretty normal.
But
in USA, like they keep on trying weird things.
Yeah, and people forget कि ये सब overnight नहीं हुआ SpaceX 24 years से existence में है. News में इतना नहीं था. Recently India में awareness नहीं थी. But since his PayPal exit days, Elon Musk has been betting on SpaceX. Before anyone even thought of all of this extraterrestrial bodies and going there. So ये उसका reward है I think.
राइट दैट्स ट्रू खैर देखते हैं लाइक वो ठीक है स्टोरीज एंड ऑल चलती रहती है कि ठीक है मैं यहाँ से इस तरीके से आई मीन ही इज गुड एट सेलिंग स्टोरीज दैट्स नो डाउट इन इट कि सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार लाइक आई डोंट नो अभी अपने यहाँ तो अभी नहीं हो रहा है बट ही वाज एबल टू थिंक अबाउट दिस इन व्हाट 20 odd years earlier राइट सो दैट्स इनसेन बट अभी देखते हैं कि लाइक वेदर पीपल विल बी लूजिंग मनी हियर और मेकिंग मनी बट व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन वैल्यूएशन लाइक इफ यू वांट टू value this company like I would like to add certain thing here this was the largest IPO I think in history so just
3
to present it
larger than the previous one
yeah like they raised $75 billion and look at the 1 year returns of all the famous IPOs even the Facebook uske baad to theek hai it has made money for shareholder but I think in last like first 1 year return is
US and worldwide is very different from India also in the mega IPOs. उधर वो liquidity लेने like they have the ability to absorb that liquidity. India में कोई भी बड़ा IPO पैसा कभी नहीं कमा के दिया किसको भी. you name it. Hyundai was there, LIC, Paytm, even Tata Capital. ये सब बड़े नाम इंडिया में तो नहीं चलते. But actually, if you see worldwide, some of them have created decent wealth, like the Visas of the world, Meta. Maybe the others are not that much, but they have created some kind of returns.
राइट आई मीन ठीक है फर्स्ट ईयर में तो ठीक है आई मीन वन कैन एक्सपेक्ट दिस कि ठीक है इतने सारे लोगों ने अपना ठीक है लिक्विडिटी निकाली है वो इतनी देर से वेट कर रहे होंगे कि ठीक है आई थिंक SpaceX अर्लियर दे वर also not believing कि they will go for IPO or something. They were selling it as कि ये humanity के लिए कंपनी है और इस तरीके की चीजें they were selling it, right? Then Starlink came कि उनको लगा कि ठीक है this is something कि नॉर्मल लोगों के साथ कनेक्शन हो पाएगा. लाइक अभी नॉर्मल लोग क्या देखते हैं कि नासा ने एक रॉकेट लॉन्च करा है, ठीक है टीवी पे देखा, एक काउंटडाउन देखा 3 2 1 एंड दैट्स इट. अब उस रॉकेट में क्या होता है, कौन सी सैटेलाइट क्या गया क्या नहीं, इसका कुछ ज्यादा रिलेशन रहता नहीं एक नॉर्मल इंसान का प्रोडक्ट से इस कंपनी के, राइट? सो I think they were talking ki only one part of this company will go public, and that was Starlink. So
Starlink, yes.
And if I can recall, like 7 years ago, I read somewhere they were valued at what $30 billion or something. So for private investor who backed the humanity, ki theek hai, this is a humanity story. We are doing it for this, na ki Mars pe we will send humans and all. They made good money here for sure.
So what do you think? Is it betting on the company or betting on the jockey behind the company? Here.
I mean, both stories are possible here. Look, I can tell you a very funny story. I can tell you, leave me, let's assume who will be the most optimistic bull on this company. So they can sell you weird stories. So I was reading something ki, like real estate of Earth is valued at somewhere around $360 trillion. The valuation of this company is what? $2 trillion or something? 2.2, I think. Like let's assume they managed to sell this story ki theek hai, you know, we will be going on Mars, setting up a human civilization, and because they are the ones who are doing it for the first time, let's assume they are able to claim, I'm not saying this, but most optimistic bull of this company will be saying this, ki they will be able to, you know, occupy the Mars, and Mars is what, somewhat equal size of Earth, and they will be like, now we have land asset worth $360 trillion or something. आप उसके बाद अपने वैल्यूएशन मेट्रिक लगा सकते हो, राइट? एंड देन दे विल बी लाइक कि दिस इज आवर फेयर वैल्यूएशन. सो दे विल बी एबल टू, यू नो, कि $15 ट्रिलियन भी अगर उसकी वैल्यूएशन रहती है, दे विल बी लाइक कि नो, दिस इज still undervalued, we have this land bank or something. So these kind of things are also possible, but let's see. At the moment I believe US markets are running on into certain euphorias कि ठीक है president भी कोई नाम लेता है तो stock चल जाता है. I mean recent story we saw Dell, right? So and I will also show you certain thing, like if you just see,
so
look at the valuation of
listed as the 7th largest, right?
Yeah, right. And this TSMC is also doing certain headlines this year, semiconductor, and also this is also 6th largest company now. But you can see how quickly Nvidia has, you know, reached first rank here. Nvidia, I think when I was in college, तो मेरे को इसका इतना ही पता था कि गेमिंग लैपटॉप में चिप्स इस तरीके की यूज होती है कि फास्ट प्रोसेसर के लिए उसका स्टिकर रहता था, तो सबको था कि ठीक है गेमर्स के लिए कंपनी है, लाइक क्या ही वैल्यू है. देन आई बिलीव माइनिंग वगैरह के लिए भी हुआ कि ठीक है बिटकॉइन माइनिंग वगैरह में हो सकता है, उसके लिए है. बट नाउ लुक एट हाउ एआई हैज चेंज्ड इट. सो ये लीडरशिप तो है, लाइक बट व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स?
लाइक कंपनीज में I think top 10 companies now, Elon Musk has 2, Tesla and SpaceX. I think Tesla is now 10th and SpaceX is 7th.
Probably. It was doing fine, I think. ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा drawdown में है. But yeah, वो पहले भी enter कर चुके हैं like top 10 में, I believe. So it's not the first.
Yes.
At
but
the
again,
same time,
again heavyweight giants of US